Hello and welcome to our review of the Keychron Q1 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard. Today, we're going to take a closer look at this keyboard to see how it performs and whether it's worth your money. The Keychron Q1 Pro is a wireless mechanical keyboard that comes with a range of impressive features. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its hot swappable switches, which allows you to easily change out the switches without any soldering required. This means you can customize the keyboard to your liking and switch out the switches as your typing preferences change. In addition to its hot swappable switches, the Keychron Q1 Pro also comes with a range of other features. The keyboard has a compact design, with a 75% layout that includes arrow keys and a full-size shift key. The keyboard also supports both wired and wireless connectivity, allowing you to use it with a range of devices. The Keychron Q1 Pro also has a range of customizable RGB lighting options, with per-key RGB lighting and the ability to create custom lighting profiles. The keyboard also supports a range of software, allowing you to fully customize the keyboard's functions and settings. One of the downsides of the Keychron Q1 Pro is its price. This keyboard is definitely on the expensive side, and it may not be affordable for everyone. However, if you are willing to invest in a high-quality keyboard with customizable features, then the Keychron Q1 Pro is definitely worth considering. Overall, the Keychron Q1 Pro is an impressive wireless mechanical keyboard that delivers outstanding performance and a range of useful features. If you are looking for a high-end keyboard that can provide an exceptional typing experience, then this keyboard is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching our review of the Keychron Q1 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And, as always, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback.